Introducing TactileView, an innovative tactile design tool developed by Thinkable and now proudly co-developed and distributed by Humanware. TactileView brings images to life at your fingertips, empowering individuals with visual impairments to both create and read tactile graphics, as well as embossed materials. Whether you're designing a new graphic or interpreting an existing one, TactileView makes the experience seamless and accessible. Let's take a closer look. Simply take any downloaded image and let TactileView transform it into an optimized tactile graphic. Even the most complex visuals come to life with the powerful filter tools TactileView provides. TactileView simplifies your work, freeing up you more time to achieve what matters. Use the onboard graph creator tool to type equations. It's compatible with several math braille codes, including UEB and Nemeth Math, saving you time and providing necessary resources for students. Have to prepare for O&M or geography lessons? Using the included Route Tactile tool, you can easily create tactile maps and choose the level of detail you need to show. Select the scope of the map you want, from country all the way to street. Choose the layers of data you want to show before downloading it onto your canvas, and hey presto, you have a tactile graphic of map under 1 minute. Work smart, not hard, and access thousands of pre-made tactile graphics from the online catalog shared by all the users of TactileView. You have access to over 3,000 pre-made tactile graphics. Select the category or search for keywords to quickly find a pre-made tactile graphic, then make any necessary changes to suit what information is relevant. Once downloaded, add or change the braille labels to give more context, make any necessary finer details to the graphic itself to make parts more prominent, or remove parts using the eraser. No matter what the task is, TactileView helps you make tactile graphics easily and promptly. Create high-quality tactile graphics effortlessly with TactileView design software. This intuitive tool offers a variety of drawing features that make it simple to design and edit graphics. Then, you can store your graphics electronically or print them using one of the many supported embossers for top-quality tactile printouts. Additionally, you can integrate TactileView files with Duxbury DBT to emboss both graphics and text in a single file. Try TactileView today by downloading a free demonstration. TactileView is also available free with every Page Blaster purchase. To find out more, visit www.humanware.com and find your tactile solution today. Creating tactile graphics has never been easier.